Okay, we're live. We're looking at a JVC RC-880 that I bought a long time ago, and if you notice, the one little button there is missing. And I don't throw away too many boom boxes, but let's see, how do I make this work? Wait. Okay, if I pick this up, alright, so here's this. So let's see, I guess I'm trying to show too many things. Let's see, trying to do this again. Alright, so today is, what is today? Well, what are we looking at? On the floor? Okay. If you look on the floor, rotate the, I can see on the floor. So here is a, yeah, gotta widen it. Oh, I dropped it, camera. Alright, here. I don't throw away too many boom boxes, but this one here is an exception. Okay, so it's, anyway. Well, that's just not gonna work. Alright, so here, let me just put this up here on the table, on top of everything else, okay? Throw this camera back up, hold this back up here. Here, wait, get this up, rotate that. Okay, so here we are. So here's this, alright? And it's obviously running on battery. See the cord plugged in? No. Okay, so if we hit the power button, you gotta hit the power button on this one. So if we hit that and we hit play, turn to that, or you can, and it'll do that all day long. Alright, so let me just bring this with me and pick up the camera here. Alright, because I titled this to be whatever I titled this to be. Alright, so and then yeah. Alright, that showed off too much. Alright, so now come out here, drop this camera there, and then put this over here, wave this around. Okay, so here we are in this room here again. Alright, so put this up on the tripod. There we go. So hang this at the floor, pretty close. Alright. So there's that, and then this one's been staring at the wrong nothing. I have this over here. Let me raise this up, okay. Point this at the floor, alright, so is that, I can't tell. Here. Let's place it. Here, I need more at the floor. Alright, so there's that. That's pretty close. Hopefully I got the two cameras. Let's see here, and it is, 10:49:18. Come on now. No, go home. Here we go. It's 10:49:18, October 2019. Okay. And the other day I showed you about this one here. This works. Just needs batteries. This one here, works. If you turn it on. So that works, alright. And then let's get the stool out of the way. Alright, so there we go. And we got this. Here's another one. We ordered off of the web. And this is, well, you can't see it, maybe you can. This is playing the Sony CFS, I don't know, the CD player thing is playing. So I can, it's playing so I can verify that I've got power to the plug, because I've got my little 9-volt Sony out here. And I only bought this one because this one also comes with a Sony player thing. Alright, so here's that. That's nicely packaged. And here's another 9-volt power supply thing, but I have one already plugged up right here, and like I said, that's turned on to prove that it's got power to it. So without further ado, let me get some scissors out here. Can I see myself in this one? Yeah, barely. Okay. And then yeah, well, you try and do this with two cameras and all that. Today is fair day, which is Friday, but fair day for the schools I work for, so it's not a work day for me. So here we are. Here's a white one, okay. Here's a white one, and is complete. Let's see here. So let's plug in the power, which we know is good. And plugged in. And we got tunes. That's real stiff. Alright,
Come over. Got an idea? We're waiting to hear from you. Texas Standard again.
so radio works. Put it on tape. You can hear the motor running. Hit eject. Oh, hey, look at that. It came with a tape. What did it come with? Yanni in Celebration of Life. Private music. Okay. And then this one here. Will this open? Yes, opens great. So, and then hear the motor running. Great, but nothing else. Alright, so hear the motor running. Great. Nothing else. So, needs a couple of belts. Needs to open and close. Great. Wait. Opens. Opens. Fabulous. It's got all its parts. Got the battery compartment. What do we got in the battery compartment? Any batteries maybe? Not today. Nice and clean. Great. Alright, so fine. We'll just end this here. Okay. Had too much fun. Don't step on that. Okay, so let me get this camera here. Alright. Okay. Too much fun. So there's this, there's that. What is this thing looking at? You got people live. Great. So that's showing the floor. Alright. Okay, like I said, this one here, it's ready to be refurbed. This is a there's a yellow one, or I don't know, this yellowish. That's more white, and this of course here is, you know, black. So we got black, yellow, that, and I think it comes in a red color, but who cares? All right, so this one here is running on batteries, and like I said, you know, just a moment ago, if you see here, well, who knows? Just if we hit play, where's play? And there's the beginning of that song once again. Yeah. So it works both directions. Another 7-minute video, famous. Okay, I've had too much fun. Alright, so hopefully you've seen everything. And just turn this off, say goodbye. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta run, finish. Bye-bye, Facebook people. Okay. And finish. Yeah, finish. Ending live video, ending this video. 8 minutes. Good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.